Hello everyone, today is a good day. I'm making Vietnamese udon soup with shrimp, pork, squid toppings. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So I have the full pork ham here. I bought this at the public supermarket and I already used half of the meat. Now I have half left and the bones. So if you're looking for the measurement, it should be about 2 pounds of meat and 4 up to 5 pounds of bones. The reason I use a lot of bones because I want the broth very delicious. So the way I'm doing it now is debone. And then when I have the meat, I will round them and tie them into the log. And we cook that way, and it's make presentation topping later nicer. So you just use your knife, go around the bones and take them out. If you have a debone knife, that's perfect, but I use chef knife. You'll be fine with any knife. It just go against the bones and then you slide the meat off. The bone is too big. The whole bone is too big, but it was consists of 2 bones. You will see when I'm done, I slide them into 2. That is very good point because you don't want to use a big knife to chop the bones down. It's very difficult to do so. But if you just remove the bone this way and divide it into 2, and it's very good and it fits the broth. That's what you want. See, right there is a separation. You have a first piece and then you have the second piece right there. I chop it up now, and then we go to the next step, cooking the broth. Okay, my second piece done. For this piece of meat, I slide them into 2, and each one I would tie them into the log, and we will cook like that. You see, if you use the pork hams, you need to watch the skins because we love the skin. A lot of collagen, cartilage tissue, it make flavorful broth and cooked meat. So I just tie them now and they will be ready for the pot. Normally in Vietnam or China, any other Asian country, when they cook the broth, they will add MSG. But I don't like the chemical in my food, so I don't use MSG. And to make up the lack of MSG, but I want the broth is still flavorful, then I use a lot of bones and other ingredients like onions, shallot, garlic, black peppercorns. Now I have 2 liters of water here, and I cook the water warm, just warm, you don't want it boiling. And I drop on the vegetables ingredients, and now I drop the bones in and let them cook. You notice that the water you need to be enough to cover on your bones and meat. And while you're cooking like that, the scum arise on the surface, and you should take the scum out to make very clear broth. So when you're done cooking, you have almost like a consomme. You cook until you use a toothpick or a skewer to poke into the meat. If the liquid come out clear, that means they cooked, and then you can season them with salt and fish sauce. I use 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, but it's up to your liking, your level of saltiness. You can adjust accordingly, add sparingly, and then you decide you like more fish sauce or more salt. Now after the meat cook, I remove on the thigh and I slide them. I like a little thick here, because normally if the pork hams I'm using, which I purchased from Vietnamese market, they will be a lot smaller, and we use them whole with the bones in. But this one bones less. After we done removing bones and tie them and cooked them, so I would like the slices are a little thicker. And that's it, you have the meat ready. Now you can strain the broth and continue remove the scums like so, and then you rub in the shrimps and squids. I waited until the shrimps a little cooked, so that when I add squid, shrimps and squid cook at the same time, and I will remove them together. They don't take long to cook. When it comes to seafood, I don't want overcook them. I just rub in the white part of green onion and some green onion, and I drop in the cooked meat that we prepared earlier to reheat them, and now we're ready to place for plating. You mean bowling. I heated my udon noodles. By the way, I made these udon noodles myself at home, and I have the videos show you how to do that. If you like, you can check that out. I still put in the description box below for your preference. I also put this recipe in there. You can check it out. And that's it. I place shrimp, squid, pork meat, and I sprinkle green onion, and now I will scoop the broth and a little more broth to the bowl, and then we are ready to eat. Everything piping hot is very good. I can't wait to eat them. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for supporting me. That means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. If I know anything, I will share with you on my channel. And please come back soon for other videos. All of them, I have more than 400 videos by now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.